Against the sceptics. If a man objects to truths that are all too evident, it is no easy task finding arguments that will change his mind. This is proof neither of his own strength nor of his teacher's weakness. When someone caught in an argument hardens to stone, there is just no more reasoning with them. Now, a person can suffer two kinds of petrification, that of the intellect and that of the sense of honor, when somebody assumes a defiant stance, resolved neither to assent to self-evident truths nor leave off fighting. Most of us dread the deadening of the body and will do anything to avoid it. About the deadening of the soul, however, we don't care one iota. Even in the case of the soul, we regard a man as pitiable if he is deficient in thinking or learning. We pity the mentally retarded and students with learning difficulties. But if somebody's sense of shame and respect are dead, we will actually call this determination. Do you realize that you are awake? No, any more than when I dream and I have the impression that I am awake. And is this the one impression in no way different from the other? No. Can I go on reasoning with such a person? What fire or iron can be applied to him to make him conscious of his condition? He senses it, but pretends he doesn't. That makes him even worse off than a corpse. One person does not notice a contradiction in his reasoning. He is unfortunate. Another person notices it all right, but does not budge and does not back down. He is even more unfortunate. His sense of honor and truthfulness has been excised, and his reason, not excised, but brutalized. Am I to call this strength of character? I can't, any more than I can apply the same name to the strength of degenerates that enables them to say and do in public whatever they please.